I'm Randall Barney. We're here at the 2014 NAB show talking to thought leaders in media contribution and distribution about some of the key trends shaping the industry today. Here's what they had to say.
First, I'm a great believer in those technologies. I believe they will provide what they expected to. Namely, they will provide first a much cheaper bandwidth. Second, and not less important, there will be a whole trend of move from the geostationary as the only solution to a lower satellite, namely MEO, and probably, very probably LEO. You can see a whole tsunami of what you call small satellites, constellations of tens of LEO satellites. I believe it will affect the whole market, starting with a trivial, with a natural market like the cellular backhaul. Today, a large part of the world is not covered before because of the very expensive satellite communication and the long delay. With the MEO kind of O3B solution, the delay is cut significantly, so you can use voice over IP without noticing the problem, because it's going to reduce and it's going to penetrate to a lot of new areas which today are not served. Kind of mobility, in all respects, airborne, maritime, even trains. So I believe we're going to see penetration of satellite communication to all market segments. I believe, I remember the day, the time I got my first diskette, and I said, wow, who needs that much capacity? It was a 1 megabyte diskette, and who uses today a 1 megabyte? Even the smaller disk on key provide you 16 gigabyte. So this will there will be the same impact. I believe there will be a significant increase in the bandwidth, but on the other hand, I believe the usage will increase even further. So I believe in terms of cost per megabit, of course, there will be a significant reduction. Overall, in the revenues of the industry, they will just increase. Currently, we're addressing as our bread and butter the current FSS market. On the other hand, we are already developing solution for the HTS, for the Ka band, for the wide band. So we're developing our product. Already our product addressed today the HTS market, and I believe we are in the process of developing a dedicated product line to address this market segment. I believe in 3-4 years it will be probably the major part of the industry. I believe that the first, on one hand, you have already over 20 high throughput satellites in orbit. As far as I'm aware, there are about additional 30 satellites to be launched in the next 12 months. So this is already becoming not a vision, but an existing, but a reality. I believe this will evolve in two ways. One, FSS, currently FSS, or geostationary satellites at the Clark orbit, at the Clark belt, which a higher percentage will be high throughput. On the other hand, we anticipate there will be a lot of new lower orbit satellites, MEO and LEO, kind of the O3B I described before, and many other. I'm sure that many companies are looking behind the shoulders of O3B, which has been the market pioneer. And the moment it will become a success story, I'm confident it will become a success story, then we will see many of them additional capacity coming of not from geostationary, but from lower orbits as well.